We're going to take a look at Agility Shop Floor today. Agility has been redesigned inside the framework of Agility Explorer. There are a number of new options here on the menu. We're going to explore a few right now. Let's take a look at the console. The console is an easy place to filter and review hundreds or thousands of shop orders all at the same time. I can filter based on work centers, departments. I'm going to focus on shop floor statuses. I'm going to say go. When I do that, I bring back all the orders that match that criteria. Today we're going to work on shop order 95 and 96 and 98. A couple of different ways to do this. I could sort. I can look at my shop orders like that, 95, 96, and 98. Makes it easy. There's a ribbon bar at the top where I can do different things to the shop order. I can edit the shop order. I could even enter a brand new shop order. Scrap, production, issue material, report labor, machine time, review hours. Everything in really a convenient little place here for one power user to do things. Most people like the components over here also. Let's take a look at a couple of those. I'm going to work on some documents, and I'm going to print off my orders for 95, 96, and 98. I'm going to go ahead and print a crystal report to the screen. I'll go ahead and print these off. They can go directly to the printer if you like too. And I'll also print my material pick list to go with that. 95, 96, and 98 material pick list. Same idea, but a little different. Now that we have that going, we could actually begin to clock into jobs. There's an option to do that right here, but actually out on the floor there's an easier way to do it. I'll go ahead and use my options here to isolate and launch an individual application. Out on the shop floor, the screen might look something like this. Very simple, easy to use to get started. So I'm going to take my work orders and I'm going to begin to clock into those jobs. Employee ID, and Kip is going to get on a couple jobs here. And he's going to get on operation 20. And he's going to start the time. He's also going to work on 96. Same operation. And he'll start that time. And he's going to work on operation 30. So Kip is clocked in, and now we'll have Chuck. So we'll just clear the screen, and we'll have another person clock in, and he's going to clock in on shop order 95, operation 80, and we'll just touch the screen, and he's going to clock in to another. And we'll start that. And finally, one more job. and start that. So we've got a number of jobs running right now, and it would be a good idea to issue material, and we'll go ahead and begin to issue some material. I can do that the same way. Issue material right on this screen. And I'm going to work on just one material order. And the component that I'm going to issue is some plastic resin. I'm going to issue a quantity of 10. And it's coming off the dock. And I need to get the specific lot number. And I've got that. I can see it if I want to look it up. And in this case, I have it right on the product that I'm going to issue. So I'll go ahead and issue that. So my material is issued. Let's go ahead and do a little reviewing. There's an option here to review tracked hours. And one thing that's new about this particular product is that I can have multiple people running on multiple jobs all at the same time. And we're going to be able to calculate their labor and split it out so that we're going to have percentages of worked hours automatically calculated and split between jobs. This particular screen is designed for the manager, the shop foreman, to be able to fix problems and look at the data. Sometimes people forget to clock into jobs or change the time, things like that. Maybe somebody ran too long, they forgot to clock out. So you can fix that here. You can change the start and stop and end times as needed. But most of the time it just happens automatically. So let's go back and begin to report our time. Okay, we'll have the guys report their time. Shop order 95 and operation 20. And you can see the runtime in minutes right here. And he's going to report the quantity that he needs. And Kip then will clear the screen. Shop order 96. And we'll report there. And we'll finish operation 30. Okay. And Chuck, who does our finished good operation, was working on shop order 98, operation 80. And we'll stop there. And the screen looks a little different because it's a finished good operation. And the quantity, I'm going to report 7,000 to the staging bin, and the lot number will be the shop order 98 plus the Julian date. And I can go ahead and print off a label. We have automatic labeling built in. Now we have all of our labor reported. We're going to calculate. So now we can see where we've spent our time on jobs. and we're going to come back and then post. When I post, it will update the Macola records in the shop order detail in the MC Tricks records. And there's some analytics built in so we could see what's happened today. Look at our daily production, and we can see what we've done. All right. Thanks for a quick look at the Agility Shop Floor product.